Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a quick and profitable trading strategy, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the ultimate scalping strategy, 5-minute trades that can boost your results in no time. Stick around because I'm going to break down everything you need to know. Let's start with the basics. Scalping is all about taking small, quick profits from the market. Instead of holding trades for hours or even days, you're looking to capitalize on price movements in just a few minutes. It's fast, efficient, and if done right, incredibly profitable. Now, let me show you exactly how we can use this strategy with a 5-minute chart. Why the 5-minute chart, you ask? The answer is simple. It's the sweet spot. It's not too short, where you get overwhelmed by noise, and not too long, where you miss the real action. Here's an example. All right, let's dive into setting up your chart. You'll need the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. These are your guiding lights when identifying the trend. Cut to chart with the 50 and 200 EMAs plotted. When the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA, that's our cue to look for buy signals. Conversely, if the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, we start searching for sell signals. These simple crosses are the backbone of our setup. Let's break it down with some real examples, starting with a bullish setup. Here's a great buy signal. The 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA, and we see a bullish engulfing candle right after. This is our confirmation to enter the trade. Notice how the price action follows the moving averages. After the cross, this bullish engulfing pattern confirms the upward momentum. We enter the trade immediately. Now, when it comes to exiting, you should always use a clear target and stop loss. We enter the trade once the bullish engulfing appears, and we set a 1-3 risk to reward ratio. For the stop loss, we place it just below the previous swing low. For the take profit, we aim for the same distance. Let's dive into a bearish example to see how this setup works in action. When the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, it signals a potential shift in the trend, indicating that sellers are beginning to dominate the market. This is your alert to start looking for a sell opportunity as the market momentum points downward. The next step is our confirmation. A bearish engulfing candle forms shortly after the EMA cross. This type of candlestick is a powerful indicator that sellers are firmly in control, as it completely engulfs the previous candle's body. This gives us the confidence to proceed with the trade setup. Just like with the bullish scenario, we enter the trade at the close of the bearish engulfing candle. To protect our position, we set the stop loss just above the previous swing high. This ensures we have a defined level of risk while allowing the trade enough room to breathe. Our profit target, maintaining a 1-3 risk-to-reward ratio. As always, when it comes to scalping, the key is quick and consistent execution. You're not aiming for massive moves in the market. Instead, the goal is to capture smaller, reliable gains. Over time, these small but consistent wins can accumulate into significant profits while minimizing prolonged exposure to market risk. Risk management is non-negotiable, especially when it comes to scalping, where you're making multiple trades throughout the day. The rule is simple. Never risk more than 1% of your account on any single trade. For example, if you have a $10,000 account, you should only risk $100 per trade. This way, even after a few losses, you ensure that your account isn't wiped out, maintaining a solid risk management strategy. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful scalping strategy for 5-minute trades. Look for the EMA cross, confirm with price action signals, and always keep risk management at the forefront. Before risking real money, always start with a demo account. You need to get comfortable with the speed and the rhythm of scalping, whether you're trading crypto, Forex, or live trading in general. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.